I'm here with Matt Sorensen. He's a real estate attorney. He just got done teaching a class to a group of real estate investors about how they can utilize retirement accounts like IRAs, Roth IRAs, 401ks. And Matt, what a lot of people don't realize is they actually can tap into those funds to get into real estate deals. Why do you think a lot of people don't realize this or don't take advantage of that?
Well, I mean, most of our retirement accounts have been controlled by the financial services industry. So, I've got an IRA at Merrill Lynch. Merrill Lynch is going to tell me what I can buy, and it happens to be what they sell, stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. But you've always been able to buy real estate with a retirement account, whether it's an IRA or a 401k. Ever since retirement plans have came out, you've been able to buy real estate. The key is, people just didn't tell you that. Your financial advisor didn't make money, you didn't get a commission on it. They were not incentivized to send you down that path. So it took people figuring out for themselves, oh, I can do this. I can invest in real estate with my retirement account. And with the advent of the internet, actually, and a lot of people in the real estate industry figuring it out, it's become a lot more popular. That's what a lot of our clients are doing. And we're trying to help them basically invest in what they know. So if you're a real estate investor and you have a retirement account, why are you buying mutual funds? You don't know what you're doing. Invest in real estate, invest in what you know.
So in other words, a lot of these brokerage firms that you're referring to, Merrill Lynch types, they're not there to be our best friend, to give us advice. They're there to make money, and as long as they can keep you there, then they're making money, and they're not necessarily helping you.
Right, and they're not going to be real estate experts either. I mean, do they know what property you should buy with your retirement account? Do they know how to structure it into a deal with another person that's bringing in money too, or someone that's going to flip a property? I mean, they don't know how to do that, and they're not going to get into that. Do you want to buy XYZ symbol? ABC mutual fund, it's numbers, it's clicking buttons on a screen, they get a commission, you're out the door. It's easier. I don't blame them.
And what a lot of people probably don't realize, I would assume, is that those things are based on the stock market, so they may not necessarily know what type of companies they're getting into. But with real estate, know what type of property you're getting into.
Right, yeah, you can go walk around it, open the doors, get an inspection on it. I mean, how many people you buy a mutual fund or you look at it, you get a prospectus this big. Does anybody read that? No one reads that crap. We can't even understand it. The attorneys can't even understand it. Your advisor doesn't understand it. They don't read that crap. And so how are you supposed to make an informed decision? But then on the other hand, when you're investing, you don't want to just be buying anything. I think a lot of people are like, well, I'm just buying in the market just so I don't get left behind. Well, that's not a way to win in investing. Invest where you have a competitive advantage. Real estate, you have much more opportunity to have a competitive advantage. Figure out the strategies working in the markets you want to be. But then also, for me, with retirement accounts, I'm trying to teach people how to use your own account to then go have a competitive advantage in real estate. Or, if you don't have money in a retirement account, how do other people, because there's $25 trillion in retirement accounts, how do those people use their money to invest in your real estate?
Now, those people who are pretty scared because they just don't understand the side of it, how do you get them to cross that bridge?
Well, I think everybody just needs to get educated and understand what's possible. They want to perform due diligence. I mean, we're talking about people's money and their retirement. It's serious. It's not just like, all right, just give me a warm, fuzzy hug and I'm going to do it. So they want to do some due diligence. There's a great book out there called the Self-Directed IRA Handbook. I'm sure you've heard of it. It's got a 5-star review on Amazon. It was an Amazon bestseller. I happen to write the book. You can find it on Amazon or on my website. It's the Self-Directed IRA Handbook. It's the most widely used book in the IRA industry. There's also a lot of free resources out there. My website has a free investor toolkit, which you can download. Just go to sdirahandbook.com. Just get on the web, start looking at some of the companies in the industry, learn what's possible and the rules on how to bring it all together.
And if they want to get into contact with you directly, can they do that?
Absolutely. You can find me at my website, SDRA Handbook. Find me where I'm speaking, like here at Renatus today, or other places. There's lots of places to get educated on how to invest in this, whether it's Renatus, again, my website, my book. You can get more information on that.
Matt Sorensen, real estate attorney. Appreciate your time today.
All right. Thanks so much, George.